I sometimes feel that we all are in a hurry to reach to the next level. I also am that someone. I'm here right now at Workala, but all I can think of that, hey, when I go back to Bangalore, I have to do these tasks. I have to meet these people. I will be planning my workout this way. You know what next? So it's always like, yeah, this is something that I want to do after this. I always am in that state of mind. What am I going to do next? What am I going to do next? Sometimes we should actually, and especially people like me who are more of doers, who always plan a lot of things and want to achieve a lot. We always are in a planning mode, in a doer mindset, rather than thinking and enjoying the movement. Like for example, right now, this is my view. And I ideally should be just looking at this, right? Nothing else. Like, how am I gonna, and when am I gonna come back to this place? But this whole mindset of I'm losing days, and I have lost like almost a week here. My work, I have not done any work in the last 1 week. I have, I'm eating food outside, so my health is gonna go for a toss and whatnot. So it's always what I'm losing instead of what I'm gaining out of doing nothing. It's important to experience that also at times. And like this trip to Workala, which has been my solo trip after a long time, has made me realize that sometimes doing nothing opens doors for doing and choosing the right thing that we are supposed to do and meant to do. And to figure that out, we have to step out of the doer mindset to actually going inward and understanding what we really would be happy doing. So finding that happiness and finding that vibe from within is really, really important. And if you relate with this, do take a break from everything for a day, for 2 days, for 5 days. We should not just be following the rut and the schedule that we have set up for ourselves. Sometimes it's good to take a break.